Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a new web service that I developed on my website freemediatools.com. So with the help of this web service you will be able to convert any sort of text file to a PDF document. So basically what you want to do here is that if you go to this web service, I have given the link of this web service in the video description. All you need to do is that you need to choose a file on your local system which must be a text file. So basically if you go to the desktop directory, in my desktop directory there is a text file here, you will see blogpost.txt, and then you can just name your PDF file also. You can give a custom name. Let's suppose I give custom likewise, and then after this you just need to click download PDF file. If you click download PDF file, then instantly your PDF file will be downloaded, and now you can see accordingly how many words are there inside your text file. Accordingly it will have number of pages. So you will see I am displaying 25 lines in per page, so it is containing 5 PDF pages. So you can see first page, second page, third page, fourth page and fifth page. So accordingly how much content that you have inside your text file, we will calculate the amount of pages required inside your PDF document. So this is a very simple app and most productive app, because many people want to convert their plain text to a PDF document so that they can use the PDF document inside many use cases. So just go to the video description, use this service, and I will highly recommend that you, if you like this service, then please hit the share button inside my website. If you go to this web service, then please share this web service also. Let me just see what has happened. I think my internet connection is not there, so I need to log in once again. Let me put the credentials. Root. So let me just log in it. So all the source code regarding this tutorial is also given in the video description. You can just go to my blog post where I have given all the source code. You can just look the source code and also implement this smart tool inside your website also. So if you go to the video description, I have given the link of my blog post. This is a complete step-by-step blog post where all the source code is given. So a single index.html file is there. So all you need to do is that click the copy button and all the source code will be there inside you. Many people ask in the comment section you don't give source code, but for this application I have given the source code inside the video description. So go to my blog post and you will be able to build the similar tool that I built on my website. So hop over to this tool, which is there at the bottom, plain text to PDF. And right now guys, for this specific website I have created an official Facebook group of free media tools. So I will highly suggest that you join this official Facebook group so that you can just ask questions about this website. So I will highly recommend that you go to this Facebook group and join this also, so that if you have any sort of problem inside the website of any of the tools, you can ask in the Facebook group community. So now let me just choose one other file here. Let's suppose I choose blog ideas, click download. So you will see now it will download the PDF file. So in this manner guys, you can convert any sort of PDF file or any sort of text file to a PDF file. This is an online tool, and if you like this video then please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.